Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8007041d that you're experiencing when attempting to update your Windows computer. And it reads that there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. 0x8007041d. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd suggest doing, make sure your date and time settings are correct down in your system tray. If they are not, right-click on it and select Adjust Date and Time. Scroll down underneath where it says Additional Settings, Sync Now. Select the Sync Now button. Give that a moment. And once you have a check mark, it means it's done. Close out of here. Open up the search menu. Type in Troubleshoot. Best match should say Troubleshoot Settings. Open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the corresponding Run button. Once that's done, close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should say Command Prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Type in SFC /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully the update error code 0x8007041d has been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.